going on today, guys? It is the 500 subscribers cruise today, and we have an amazing turnout over there. We've got quite a few people lined up and ready to go. And just if you guys are watching this, again, thank you all so much for your support. It really does mean a lot to me, more than you'd believe. But yeah, look at this. Great turnout, whole bunch of people. I know quite a few of them as well, which is great, and some new faces as well, which is always good to see. So now we're gonna roll a couple of slow motion clips of the scooters that we have with us today. And yeah, we'll stitch on the old helmet and probably go for a bit of a cruise.
Gluten-free stuff for people that aren't really gluten, and there's also burgers. So it's all going to be quite nice, so I hope you enjoy the ride. So we'll get all geared up for the time being, and yeah, we'll get ready to scoot.
Alrighty guys, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to see everyone up the top of this hill here, but this is going to be pretty cool to see. We'll get a couple of people from behind us here. I've got you on the GoPro up on the helmet there so you can see what's going on behind us. But yeah, very cool. Look at that lineup. So cool. So guys, I really can't express enough to everyone that's come along today. Obviously, you guys will be coming back to this video because you watch the channel. And again, guys, I literally cannot express how much I really thank you all for coming along today. It's a pleasure. You should hear them all going through that tunnel with their horns and stuff. That's hilarious. Oh, it's so good. Oh man, you guys are legends. Again, thank you all so much for coming along today. I hope you enjoy the cruise along here. The Centenary Highway is what we're cruising on at the moment. We are cruising at a nice comfortable 25 kilometers an hour, which is the legal limit. So I believe we have 1 or 2 children on today, which is good. It's good to see the young ones getting out with the family as well, which is great. I do love seeing that. It's an awesome bit of time with the family, especially when you're going for a skirt and a barbecue at the end and a possible draw. So that's really cool. Really cool. So there was a slight change of plans today. Unfortunately, the barbecue area that we went to go to is currently not available. We went there yesterday to snoop it out and check everything was okay, and we went back there this morning to go to the barbecues, and all the barbecue areas have actually been cut off and blockaded off, so they're out of action. So we had to make a last minute decision and change the end location, so I do hope that everyone makes it. It's changed it into a 13-kilometer one-way scoot. However, that shouldn't change it too much.
and I hope that everyone does enjoy the scoot and their footage of this video, which is always great. I'm gonna have to get into this food before it disappears. All right, guys, so we have rocked up. We've got a beautiful turnout on all the scooters and the e-bikes, as you can see in the background there, guys. We've got a couple of Dualtrons, some Wolves, the old Lightning, love them. There's another e-bike over there. Everyone's enjoying themselves. Wow! Taking out someone's scooter. That's not a good start. So I'm gonna probably jump in there myself. We've just arrived. Everyone's basically sitting down and having a good feed and a good time. So I'm probably gonna do the same now before the food is gone. So yeah, we'll see you all in a bit. I'm probably gonna put it back on when we do this, the raffle. So that'll be pretty cool to see. All right. Fourth prize, guys, set of jet black grips. Now I've ran these, as you all guys know, if you've seen my videos, I've run these pretty much on every scooter I've ever had. I find these ridiculously comfortable and they're probably my favorite. So we'll raffle these ones off. So first one, looks in first. Here we got. All right. So as in Ivan? Hey, here we go. There we go, man. I'll keep the ticket. All right, and a Bike Scooter City gift card essentially. So spend about $59, I think it is, at Bike Scooter City, and yeah, it can go towards anything in store or your service on your scooter. Pretty cool.
Number 2, Robbie.
Robbie. Hey, here we go. It's the Lightning Man. Congratulations. Number 2, the fat bike. So I couldn't bring this in obviously because it's a big bike, and I can't carry that on my backpack. That'd be quite awkward.
Not only would it be awkward, it'd be painful.
Oh yeah. All right, made me ride it. Zach. Hey, nice man. That's all yours. You're gonna have to probably grab one of your parentals and come and grab it from Bike City. So just to pick it up from, yeah, just because it is quite large, but it is there and it'll be with your name on it, Zach. Congratulations, bud.
There you go.
All right, number 1, the Zoom hydraulic brakes.
4-piece. two piston.
I think that's illegal. Lisa. Well done, Lisa. Zoom hydraulic brakes. That'd be pretty cool.
You've already got them, so they'll go on your feedo.
Awesome. Well, thank you all guys so much for actually participating in the group ride. It really is a big thing for me. So thank you all very much for coming. But yeah. Yes, I'd love to do that. All right guys, so that's probably going to be it for the ride back. I'm probably not going to film that. I'm probably going to save a little bit more to do some montages and stuff like that. But I hope you guys all enjoyed. And on the next one, we'll probably be installing those hydraulic brakes that were actually won by Lisa. Because congratulations, Lisa and Zach. So hope you guys all enjoy, and we'll see you all in the next one.